seconds to go. Start. Namaskar to all of you. First of all, let me introduce people with some new responsibilities as it will be better for you also. Shri Mansukh Bhai Mandviya, who has just become our new health minister. Dr. Bharti Pawarji is also sitting with him as MOS. She is working as MOS in our health department. There are two more people whose involvement with you is going to be regular. They are the new minister of the Ministry of Donor, Shri Kishan Reddy ji, and MOS sitting with him, Shri BL Verma ji. This introduction is also necessary for you, friends. You have described in detail how all of you are working hard to deal with corona in the northeast with some innovative ideas and plans and what you have accomplished. You, the entire country, and especially our health workers have worked tirelessly for the last 1.5 years to discharge their respective responsibilities. Despite the geographical challenges of the Northeast, the way you prepared the infrastructure from testing and treatment to vaccination, though four states have to improve further. But the rest have prevented the wastage of vials to a great extent with great sensitivity. You also made maximum utilization of every vial. I congratulate your efforts and especially the people of our medical field who have handled the vaccination with sensitivity using their skills because vaccinations are very important. I congratulate all your colleagues working in the health sector, and I am sure that this will be done in a better way even in the four states where there is some slippage. Friends, we are all well aware of the present situation, the results of the collective efforts made by different governments together during the second wave of COVID are also visible. But there are some districts of the northeast where cases of infection are increasing. We have to understand these signals. We need to be more alert, and people will also have to be told to remain alert constantly. We have to take more strict steps at the micro level to prevent the spread of infection. As Himanta ji was saying, that he did not choose the path of lockdown. Instead, he focused on micro containment zones by creating more than 6,000 micro containment zones. This way, responsibility can be fixed. We can ask the person in charge of that micro containment zone how it went wrong or how it went well. Therefore, the more emphasis we put on the micro containment zones, we will come out of this situation sooner. We will also have to make full use of the experience we have gained in the last 1.5 years and the best practices that we have seen. Different states of the country have also chosen innovative methods. There will be some districts, some villages, and some officers in your state who would have handled these situations in a very innovative way. We will benefit more if we identify these best practices and publicize them. Friends, we also have to keep an eye on each variant of the coronavirus because it is absolutely polymorphic. It changes its form frequently, and as a result, it poses new challenges, and hence, we have to keep a very close watch on each variant. Experts are constantly studying about how devastating it will be after the mutation. The entire team is watching every change closely. In such a situation, prevention and treatment is very important. We have to put our entire energy and focus only on these two measures. The severity of the virus will weaken if we continue to maintain a distance of 2 yards, wear a mask, and get vaccinated. And we have seen this from the experience of the last 1.5 years. We will be able to save more lives if we continue with our strategy of testing, tracking, and treatment and improve our infrastructure. This has been proved by the experiences in the entire world, and therefore we have to continuously encourage every citizen to follow the rules made for corona prevention. We will have to make efforts to involve the civil society and heads of religious organizations. Friends, it is true that tourism, trade, and business have been greatly affected due to corona, but today I will emphasize that it is a matter of concern that people visiting hill stations and markets are not wearing masks and not following protocol. This is not right. Many times we hear this argument, and some people say proudly that we want to enjoy it before the third wave arrives. It is important to explain to the people that the third wave will not come on its own. Sometimes people ask what preparations have been made for the third wave. What will you do for the third wave? In fact, the question that we should ask ourselves is how to prevent the third wave, how to execute our protocols efficiently. And corona is not something which comes on its own, it is brought by people. Therefore, if we take equal care of these things, then we will be able to stop the third wave also. What we will do if the third wave comes is a different subject. What is more important is how to stop it. Therefore, our citizens should not compromise on alertness, vigilance, and adherence to COVID appropriate protocols. Experts have been repeatedly warning that there could be a massive jump in corona infections due to carelessness, negligence, and overcrowding. Therefore, it is important that all necessary steps are taken at every level seriously. We should try to stop the overcrowded events. Stop.